Welcome viewers! In this episode of WolfVision Insights, we are going to take a closer look at how you can collaborate together in web conferences using Microsoft 365 and Synapse systems. Rapid adoption of online working and learning means that for many people, hybrid classes and meetings have become the new normal. However, many of these online sessions do not enable live collaboration on real documents due to web conferencing limitations. Instead of just sharing your screen or desktop, Synapse systems allow unrestricted collaboration, and you can share and edit Microsoft Office files simultaneously with both in-room and remote attendees using your Microsoft 365 integration. Today, I'm using a Synapse Core Pro, but this feature is also included on our Synapse systems and is an optional addition to Synapse View Pro. Let's take a look how it works. Clicking on Microsoft 365 allows you to select the content you want to work with. Select Word, for instance. Then I have full access to all my files and documents stored in the cloud. And of course, I'm also able to share them with my entire team or selected members of the team. Select the document that you need for your meeting. In my case, this is a Word file. When your teammates are working on the document, you will see who's working on which part of the document. And you can discuss the impact of these changes with the colleagues in-room and of course also with the remote participants at the same time. Synapse supports various web conferencing solutions, so you have outstanding possibilities for working together in this way using either Zoom, Microsoft Teams or other WebRTC-based solutions. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.